obsessed. I'm about to put these on right now. So I said, let me do this video before I get scuffs all over it, because baby, they just came in and I'm game. I have no shame in my game. I'm about to put them on right now and go on a date. Sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm about to put them on right now and go on a date. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Style the Body. Hope you guys are doing good. So today I have a new video for you guys. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. On this channel, it's all about lifestyle, beauty, fashion, travel, and a lot more. So if that's something you're interested in, join the family. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the notification bell so that you will not miss any video. So this is going to be a unboxing haul, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's get right into it. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. So if that's your vibe, if that's something you're interested in, make sure you don't forget to, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the notification bell. Do that for me right now. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Let's get right in. So I got these shoes recently. Okay, so I just got these shoes and I'm super excited about it. I actually got this from eBay. I love shopping on eBay. You know, you can find really good deals, you know, really good. And the good thing about it is they authenticate, guaranteed to be buying, you know, authentic. I got this from eBay. I've been wanting these for a minute and I'm super excited that I finally have it in my size and everything. That's another thing too about eBay. Like, if I'm looking for something, I can't find it, I'll go on eBay. My size will be available. You know what I'm saying? Somebody will be selling it somewhere. So I'm super excited. So they came in the original box and everything. So mind you, this is brand new. So for the price that I paid for it, it's such a deal. Because these are pretty much sold out everywhere. And I got it for a fraction of the price. Super excited. Let's open it. So yeah, it comes with the dust bags right here. Like I said, this is brand new. So guys, look at her, guys. Oh my god. I've been wanting these so bad. It's either they don't have my size or something. So I got a size 41 and as you can see, it's brand new. Love the color. Oh my god, I am so obsessed. I'm about to put these on right now. So I said, let me do this video before I get scuffs all over it, because baby, they just came in and I'm putting it on right now. Yes, I have no shame in my game. I have no shame in my game. I'm about to put them on right now and go on a date. Sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm about to put them on right now and go on a date. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Get into it. Guys, I am obsessed. So these are the Bottega Veneta mesh high heel sandals. It comes in so many different colors. I love yellow. Okay, yellow is one of my favorite colors. I am so obsessed with it. I think they're pretty comfortable. The only thing I've heard is right here hurts a little bit, so it's better to size up or go half a size up. So yeah, that's the only thing. But I'm super obsessed. Okay, let's move on to the next item. I was just gonna do a haul for the shoes, but I remembered I have other stuff that I bought for my vacation, so let's get right into it. It's only a few items, nothing too crazy. Next up, oh my god, this hat, guys, this hat is so beautiful. Look at the details. I am in love. So this hat is by a brand called Eugenia Kim. Yeah, Eugenia Kim, as you can see. So I got this on TheRealReal for a really good price, because yeah, these are pretty expensive. One thing I'm gonna do is shop on TheRealReal, okay? And it was brand new. I wore this on my vacation. And baby, I'm gonna try to leave the pictures or something somewhere for you guys to see. But this hat is so well made. It's like woven. I don't know if you guys could see. And then the raffia details here. I can't put it on top of my head right now, but I love it. It's oversized. I love me some. This is like a statement piece. Like, you can't go wrong with this. This on a vacation, girl. They have so many different hats, but this one is like my favorite. I've been on a hunt for this, so I'm so happy that I finally got them. Super cute. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so next up, which is the last item that I want to show you guys, is a dress. It's this dress from Hanifa. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I've been obsessing with this dress forever. Okay, I finally got one. So it's a funny story. I got this on eBay as well. I've been looking everywhere. They were actually sold out from the website, and I also got it for a fraction of the price, like a little bit less, like half off the price. So I'm super excited about it. The only thing is that it was not my size. It was not my size, but I said, listen, this is like a small or an extra small. I don't remember. I think I'm gonna tell you guys. But I was like, you know what? Because their sizes run big though, and it's knit, so you know it's really gonna be stretchy. I'm gonna try to pop a picture somewhere so you guys can see the style. But this dress I wore on my vacation recently. The vlog is coming up, so you guys. So I was in Colombia recently in this dress, and baby, I was in these streets. I was in these Colombian streets. We went to Cartagena. I think that's how you say it. And I wore this dress, and listen, this dress, so this is the dress, guys. It is so beautiful. It has these details all over, super long, and it's super stretchy. Let me see what size it is. Yep, an extra small. So but guess what? I do fit in it. That's how stretchy it is. I'm gonna try to leave a picture somewhere of me wearing it. So yeah, look at the details, guys. So I don't know if you guys could see, but it is the Mina tassel knit gown. Like I said, I got this on eBay as well. It was brand new and everything. So yeah, shout outs to eBay. I hope you guys are gonna love this video as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched all the way, leave me comments. Let me know what you guys think. I'll try to find the links to some of the items and leave it down below or something similar. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video.